good you're here. Come take a walk with me through our luxury Scenery Hills townhome. You won't be sorry living here with your dining room and living room space. You'll love your vinyl plank flooring, quartz countertop, maple cabinets, and your slate appliances. I hope you'll invite me over for dinner. On your first floor, your guests can enjoy your half bath. Hey, what are you doing on my open staircase? Your 2 bedrooms have plenty of space to move around in. Each bedroom comes with 2 large closets. Plenty of room in your linen closet to store all your toiletries. Upstairs, you'll find your full bath with shower, tub, toilet, sink, and extra vanity space. Enjoy the outdoors on your relaxing private balcony. There's a washer and dryer hookup, sink, and plenty of extra storage space. Keep your car protected from outdoor elements in your attached garage. When the pool opens, drive to our Lakeview Community Pool where you can enjoy your summer in the sun. Work out at our 24-hour fitness room. Our maintenance team is ready to pop in whenever you need them.
And we're the best in town.